Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Jeep, St. Martinville, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a moving company operational in St. Martinville with experience handling moving needs with the city. Our team of movers is professional and swift with their services, and they'll take your time with the utmost care, regardless of their complexity. We've also got a team of skilled and experienced handlers in handling your items carefully. Whether they're slippery, large, or complex, we'll devise a means to carry it. Also, our team understands the terrains, behaviors, and topography of St. Martinsville, and we always strive to handle your local relocation smooth and quickly to provide enough settle-in time for you. Our local experience helps with that. We'll find the best routes and safest neighborhoods to your home, and we'll escape bad roads, traffic congestions, and other challenges leading to a new destination. Our St. Martinsville long-distance 3 Movers has the licenses, permits, and documents needed for long-distance travel. Also, your long-distance move may not give you enough room to oversee as you want, and for instance, if you're moving to another country by road, you can't travel with our St. Martinsville movers. However, it's hard to trust strangers with their valuables. That's why 3 Movers has a tracking service despite a reputation, and this system allows you to monitor the movement of our team. And you can also move to the country by air and track our moves to ensure your progress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Martinville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.